So this is the symbol of dolphin I created in a Microsoft Word. So if you want to change the color, then you must select this, and from here you can change the color also. Okay, in this video we discuss how to create this symbol. For doing this, you must go to your keyboard, and in this keyboard you can see this is the number lock key. So you must press the number lock. Now we have enabled the number lock. You can see there is an alt key on the left side of the space bar. I press this key. I am not removing my finger from this key. At the same time, I am going to type here 1 2 8 0 4 4. Okay, after that I am going to release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that the dolphin symbol have been arrived in your Windows computer. For more videos you can subscribe and register online.